The uniqueness on this project was the fact that Aegon Religate has always wanted to be a technologically superior and a very differentiated and superior customer service providing organization. And the key objectives behind going for channel management system was to have a single repository of all the agent information by different channels. One of the important vision that we had as a company was to launch a multi-channel rollout of the agency sales force, which meant that we have a very composite sales agency management system, which will take care of all the agency onboarding process and also enable us to compute the base commission of the agents. So this was as far as the objective is concerned. And the key business challenge that we were facing were, number one, the fact that we wanted to go for multiple channels, which means apart from the traditional tied agency channel that a company will normally look for, we also went for direct marketing, the agency proprietary sales force, which is also called as Aegon Religate Direct Channel, the business alliance channel, which comprises of the referral channel as well as the corporate agent and the broker, and also apart from that the employee channel. So the biggest challenge was how do you integrate all of them into one particular single repository. The second challenge that we faced was the whole system was to be conceptualized, designed, delivered and tested within a matter of 5 months. And the third was the fact that we had people from diverse organizations with diverse experience background, getting all of them together, getting them sunk into the Aegon Religare culture, and at the same time meet the challenges of multiple channel and the timeline. Few things of why we selected Mastech. Number one, Mastech, as far as channel management is concerned, have a very good amount of rich experience that they have within the organization, whether it be by way of qualified pool of business analysts and the technical people. Second was the fact that they were completely familiar with the Indian geography as to how the agency as a sales channel operates in an Indian insurance environment. The third was the fact that they have done this implementation for organizations earlier, which meant that the risks for us on this project was relatively lower. We started off with the implementation, moved on from there in building a set of additional functionalities on the agency management system, whereby we could open up the entire agency management system on our portal so that the agents can do real-time inquiry and update in relation to the agency channel management system. Then we went on with making some integration with our other back-end systems so that the MIS can be generated efficiently. So basically the work has been going on in the last 2 years, adding value to the product, and all through Mastech has been a quite good supporter for us on all our initiatives. And a challenge that we faced was around in the month of December 2007, when the code was just delivered. One of the things that we realized that a few more interfaces needs to be developed to link it with the backend system. The option was either keep it aside and probably do it after the company goes live because it was not a top priority, or take it up and do it and do a clean job right from day one. The challenge before was how do you ensure that the testing gets completed on time and at the same time you are able to take up this new initiative. And that's where the Mastech's project team actually rose to the occasion and ensured that we were able to not just deliver the planned deliverables to the business, but also take these interfaces and develop a very clean solution right from day one, which was highly scalable. And with this channel management implementation, some of the key objectives that we met was, first and foremost, single platform for all the agency channel to have a single repository of all the agency masters as well as the agency hierarchy. Second was the fact of enabling us to do the commission computations for the channels from the system. And third and most important thing is to ensure that we get a correct MIS of all the agency and their performance from one single repository. We started the implementation around the month of November 2007, and by March 2008, we had completed the entire testing of the whole system and ready for launch. So in short, it was about a 5-month period from the time of conceptualization to go live. You can consider this as a very smooth implementation and deliverable on a strong, tight deadlines. And experience with Mastech has been quite mutually rewarding, pleasant, and beneficial to the business.